So I've got my Bluetooth sleep mask here. In this review, what I want to do is show you everything that comes with. Then we're going to go over the features of this. Now I do have one just like this, different color, but I'm really happy with the way it is because it's super soft and it is so much better than the mask that I typically sleep in. It does come with a little storage bag. It does have a couple of earplugs, and then we've got a charging cord here. Now when you charge it, it takes right around 2 hours to charge. You just plug it in right here, but it does have a run time of up to 14 hours. And right away the material is just super soft. It is made of bamboo and cotton. These are our controls right here on the front. When you press your power button, what it's going to do, if you look at your Bluetooth device, you're going to see MUSICOZY show up. Click on that and it's going to connect right away. And then we have a plus or minus to go ahead and just change the volume. On the back side here, this is where the headphones are actually located in. And you can actually wash this. We've got two openings. We've got one here and one on the other side too. And what you're going to do is you're just going to pull out your speakers and the control. It just slips right out. Then you can go ahead and wash these and then slip them back in when it's all done. And then right here with your cord hanging out, if you want, you can easily tuck that in there. Now this does have silent Velcro. It's very, very quiet. And so when you're going to put this on, all you're going to do is just put it just right over the eyes. The speakers, which are located right here, are right on my ears. And then I'm going to go ahead and close that. Just really nice. I like to take these when I'm going on an airplane or I'm having to sleep during the day. But I just love the way that it feels, the way it sounds. I can listen to nice music. Typically what I have to do with a regular mask is I have to put ear pods in my head and in my ears, and that does not feel comfortable. But this definitely works for me. Hope you found this review helpful.